YouTube, it's your boy Dom Lace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Again, like I said before I was really interrupted. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Dom Lace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and hit that notification bell right up there. And also guys, please hit that subscribe button. We want Zombie Squad to grow even bigger. Like I said guys, I love my little Zombie Squad so much. And today we're gonna do an amazing look. Yes, I have my foundation, my concealer, my powder, my brows, a little bit of highlight on. And I don't mean like highlighter, just like the highlights on my face. But we're gonna be doing a skull look today, and I'll be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using these beautiful shades to sculpt out this face because we're gonna look dead today, and a good dead, a pretty dead. I'm so excited, and I hope you like the new setup. I mean, I had to use the little balcony that I have just to like to rouge it up a little bit. I wanted a little bit more lighting, and I have a skylight right there, so hopefully the lighting goes well. Like, look at these colors. Like, I want to use these, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to stay in the middle row with that yellow. So we're going to start with the eyes first, but before that, I'm going to lay down a little bit of powder, just because I don't want any fallout. Even though I know that Juvia's Place doesn't have that much fallout, I still want to be on the safe side. And plus, because I'm using blues and I already have foundation on and concealer, it's not going to look well. So we're going to set our face with a little bit of translucent powder. We're going to jump into Laura right here. Laura is a bad bitch. She does the Eyes Wonder, like literally, like this is my go-to. Like, I have my Maybelline Fit Me, but this right here is like my holy grail. So I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender, pack that under the eye. Put the powder right there, guys. All right, now, after I laid our girl Laura down to our face, we're gonna jump into this palette. Ooh. Like I said guys, we're gonna stick to the middle row in that yellow shade, and so I think I'm gonna use the yellow first. And what I mean by that is I'm gonna use the yellow as my brow bone highlight so that it can blend all the colors well, and also because I'm gonna be using this bluish green and then using this green as the inner highlight for my eye. I think that the colors will actually work really well together because it will blend into a darker green, so my crease color will be a little darker so you can get that look. So let's see how that looks. My face looks very good. Like, I'm looking at myself right. I mean, I don't like myself shaved, guys, but I had to do it for this video. But I can't wait for my hair to grow back. So, where's my note pencil? Oh, here you go. Ooh, Lord have mercy. I was like, I ain't doing a video no more. Nope. Ooh, I might do a halo eye. Oh my god, I think we'll do a halo eye. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a halo eye. That's what we're gonna do. But the thing is, I'm gonna start with the yellow first, and I'm gonna put the yellow on top. And I'm gonna be taking the eye slay brush right here from the Morphe collection, and I'm gonna dip into this yellow real quick, and then I'm gonna add that to my brow bone, aka above my crease, so that I can then jump into this blue shade right here and put it right into the middle so you can get that nice green. And then we're going to add these two, I think, into my halo. That's what we're going to do. Alright, now that we have that beautiful yellow shade all over, we're gonna go in with a little bit of that blue shade. This it's like a turquoise blue. And I'm gonna take a packer brush for that, and this is from the Morphe Gilded collection. That almost like this palette like reminds me of the Thirsty palette so much, minus like this. But these shades down here like remind me of the Thirsty palette, and that's why I'm like, oh my god, that's so pretty. I think that's really good. Now we're gonna go back in with the yellow shade. There we go. Now that we got the yellow and everything in, I think we're gonna go ahead and cut out of our lid, and I think I'm gonna use some more of that I think I'm gonna use some more of this milk pencil. Go back in with the little brush right here that we have. Ooh, now we have a little white parts done. Yes, 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 yes ma'am. Now we're gonna jump into this green shade right here. We're gonna add that right where we add the jumbo milk pencil. I'm gonna try it first without any setting spray. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, that is so like, oh my god. Now I'm gonna go in to this nice blue shade right here. And we're just gonna add a little bit of that in the center of my eye with that green. Blend it a little bit more on the sides. I think I'm gonna use this for like the side. I should have did that first. So let me go back and get that green, cover it up. And I'm just using that blue to blend it a little bit better so that it looks like one instead of like two oddly shades. Alright, now that we did that, we're gonna go in with a little bit of inner highlight. And I think I'm gonna jump into the Juvia's Festival collection. And I'm gonna jump into this beautiful white shade right here. And we'll add that to the inner eye. So now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush right from the Gilda collection. Ooh. Yep. That is so pretty. Okay, now that we did that, we're gonna take our brush and we're gonna wipe our excess powder out of our face. Now for this look, we're gonna get into the, oh my god, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Now we're gonna get into the Halloween aspect of this, and this is gonna be a remake for what I did last year. However, it's gonna be a glam one, and it's gonna be more like less time consuming. So we're gonna make it look really cute. And I saw this off Maybelline, and I saw a lot of people do this, but Maybelline, like, I went and ordered a lot of Maybelline products for a full face of Maybelline, and I saw it and I was like, Alright, like the eyes, guys, I think I'm gonna start how I do my eyes. So we're gonna do the yellow as the base, then we're gonna jump into it and just darken it up, and then as we go, and also is gonna transition to that green. I don't have like a nice lime green, so that's why I was like, maybe if I build this up, you'll see the transition of greens in my face. So it's almost gonna be like a I don't know, it's gonna be neat. I know my colors don't match for my outfit, but I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, this is just for you guys. I'm not going anywhere. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start shading our face for the skull look, and we're going to jump in. We're going to start with the head first. I'm using a eyeshadow brush for this because it's nice and small and taper, so I can actually, you know, and make sure it's even here. All the indent that you have right there, so like you have that right there. Alright, so we're gonna go to the lip real quick because I think I want to finish, like, I want to see what it looks like. I gotta do this, like, I gotta do the mouth real quick. So with this look, I think I'm gonna do a new look because there's so much going on with the eyes. I think it's gonna be a little too much if I add I don't know. I think it's gonna look a little too much. So we're gonna go into these two. This right here is from AOA Cosmetics, aka Shop Miss A, and this is the shade Vibing. And then I have the NYX Lingerie, NYX Cosmetic Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Baby Doll. I'm going to outline my lips with this and then go in the middle with this. Alright, now that the lips are done, like I said, I made it real quick. because I'm going to go through and add the teeth marks. Add a little black to give it a little bit of dimension. There you go. I'm feeling this a little bit better now. It looks like death, and I look like death, and I like looking like death. It is Halloween. I don't care. I'm going to look good, but I'm also going to have a realistic look. Like this, it looks so much better now. That I add my own little twist to it. I think I just need a little bit of me in there. And to keep it with a nice green, I think we're going to go into this as highlights. Ooh. Ooh. Alright guys, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of lashes from Juno and Company just to set this look off a little bit more. And I'm also going to use the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and I'm going to jump into the yellow and green, well, turquoise. And we're just going to blend them both, and then we're going to go right under the eye. Okay, so now we got our lashes. There we go. Okay, them lashes are on, honey. Look, them lashes are on today. Usually a fucking cricket. Ooh, yes. Yes, guys, that literally wrapped up the look. I think this look looks amazing, like, oh my god. But I think it looks well today. I think it looks cute. It's very simple, very easy. Something you can 1, 2, 3 go, put a sexy outfit on, and stretch your shit down the town. And if you add a little bit of highlighter, bitch, you'll be going for the gods. Look at that. Look at that. I have risen from the death. You know, my face might look dead, but that highlighter, bitch. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy Halloween, guys. I have so many Halloween looks I'm gonna do. This is just the first, a quick, simple one. And if you are new to the channel, it does not hurt for you to hit that subscribe button. We, the Dormy Squad, will love for you to join it and catch up on our videos. There's so many that you have already missed that you need to catch up on. And I think that you'll love them. If you love today's video, you'll love every single other video that I have done, and the video will be right here or right here on the screen, so you're not doing nothing now, so why don't you click it? Anywho, I love you guys.